Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Our forecast is still on track to produce maybe some severe storms this evening into tonight and near record heat for this afternoon. Now, this is one of the forecasts that are somewhat unpredictable. There's a lot that can go wrong, and we'll talk about why here in a second. There's still going to be some chances for storms heading into tomorrow. It's going to be warm, temperatures in the 90s. We'll cool down a bit for the weekend. Saturday is looking pretty nice with mostly sunny skies. Father's Day on Sunday. Looks like that rain will return. Let's start off with the heat for today. Our expected high temperatures should get into the mid and upper 90s. We're currently in the low to mid 80s. So we do have a long way to go. Still expecting some big jumps in the temperature, but it will all depend on how the warm front will kind of push overhead. Again, still expecting to be near records, and we could break the record in Waterloo and Iowa City. I don't think we'll do it in Dubuque and Cedar Rapids, but still obviously very, very warm. There will be a heat advisory in effect for our southwestern counties. That's where the best chance for heat indices of 100 to 105 degrees will be. But everybody will be hot and humid for today. Dew points are already getting to near 60 degrees. You're probably noticing that humidity in the air. So max heat indices this afternoon from Future Track is showing in the upper 90s to about 101 or 102. That's about where I think we'll top out for today. Again, it all depends on how those temperatures will warm up, but I am expecting some pretty hot temperatures. And of course, the ingredients will be there for storms to develop, but we do have a cap on the atmosphere. That's where temperatures warm with height. It really prevents storms from developing. So for much of the afternoon, we're going to actually look at sunny skies, and that is going to only increase our temperatures. This cold front, though, will get closer and closer. It's slowly moving to the east. So by about 6 or 7 p.m., it will start to get very close to the viewing area. That's when we could see the cap breaking down and some storms developing in our northwestern counties. Initially, as these storms develop, we'll see the chance for maybe some very large hail and even a few tornadoes if the storms can stay discrete enough by themselves. But as they continue to push to the east and southeast, they grow into a line of storms, and that's when our main hazards will turn more over to a damaging wind gust event. That will be possible through this evening and into the overnight hours. Again, the big question is, when will those storms develop? When does a cap break down? Might not be exactly at the times that you see here, but there will be chances this evening and into tonight. Rain and storms will continue on and off throughout the overnight hours and should be done by the sunrise tomorrow. We'll see some sunshine tomorrow and then maybe another chance for storms popping up in the afternoon. Those are not expected to be severe. But here's our severe chances for today. An enhanced risk for areas along and north of Highway 30. That's the greatest chance to see all modes of severe weather. And honestly, I think most of the storms will stay in that enhanced risk. However, there is still a slight risk for areas south of Highway 30. You see the main threats here will be wind and hail. Tornado threat is pretty low overall, but we can't rule out a couple of tornadoes, especially early on. As far as today goes, again, high temperatures should get pretty warm, mid to upper 90s. We'll see how that warm air pushes in. We'll see a southwest breeze, a little breezy as well, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and pretty humid. Then for tonight, those storms will continue to roll through. Lows will be in the upper 60s to mid 70s. We're staying pretty mild through tonight as well, and still low 90s for tomorrow, even after that cold front comes through tonight. And as a little weak boundary comes through, could see a few more storms in the afternoon hours of Friday. Saturday is looking mostly sunny with highs back to the mid and upper 80s. We'll track some more perhaps soaking rains for Sunday. That's Father's Day. Temperatures still in the 80s there. Will be much cooler for Monday and Tuesday. Highs in the 70s, lows in the upper 40s. We do warm into the 80s for the end of next week, and there will be a few more rain chances on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.